Today we're going to be repainting my KitchenAid from a lime green to a muted robin's egg. I'm starting my repaint on my KitchenAid mixer. So I removed as much of the stainless as I could, the plate down there, this little thing from the side. I'm going to bag the motor and tape off any remaining stainless, and then I will show you guys that. All right, so now I've got it bagged off. I've got all the remaining stainless taped off. And like I said, I took kind of the casing off of the motor. So I bagged the motor, taped it. I'm gonna leave the cord exposed just to maneuver a bit better than actually taping it up. And yeah, so we are gonna start spray painting right away. I chose this spray paint color. It kind of matches my KitchenAid nice, and it is like a robin's egg blue. Yeah, so now we're gonna go outside and we are going to paint this. So I'm all done my first coat. I have to touch up a couple areas just with a brush because I got a little happy with the spray paint, but we will see how it turns out. Voila! I did about 2 coats and I am so happy with my new stand mixer. I honestly wanted to replace my green one because I hated the lime green so much. Now this matches my Keurig beautifully and I absolutely love it.